Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you my Christmas room tour. So on my door here we have a Noel sign. Over here we have my little countdown calendar. It's a little snowman. Then we have a Nightmare Before Christmas little ornament thing right there. Over here we have some Christmas lights, my Noel ornament. I put some snowflake little decals on my mirror. We got some trees. And then coming over here, we have my Christmas blankets on my bed, my little Christmassy stuffed animals, some pillows, my stocking right there, my all year round Christmas tree on the floor, my Starbucks red cup that I got this year. I love it. And then coming along here, we have my Gnome for the Holidays sign. And then I put some little deers, nutcrackers, a sign that says Merry. Cute little pigs back here, another ornament. And then back there we have another little thingy. I don't even know what that's called. But down here we have my Christmas backpack that I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside in my next video. My Christmas scarf, little Jack ornament. We have this mug, some more little things. We have my mailbox ornament, a little snowman, Pez dispenser, my gingerbread, my candle, 3 little snowmen, room spray, candle, little sleigh. Look at these polar bear, how cute, they're just chilling right there. And yeah, guys, that is it for my Christmas room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.